So you need students, you concentrate about the next part of your remaining days study. See, I think from today onwards, if you start counting the days, 1 month, 24 days are remaining to write the NEET exam. See, in this period, so far I think you have completed so many mock exams also. So my advice is, even first PUC and second PUC, physics, chemistry and biology portions are already completed. So what is required at present is another some 15 to 20 mock test you have to write by shading on the OMR, maintaining 3 hours timings. And these mock tests in physics, chemistry and biology after the test is over, the same thing should be discussed by the concerned lecturers. So whatever wrong attempts you do, that will be made clear, and whatever you have answered correctly also, related to that, when it has been taught by the lecturers, I think it will be made very, very clear. So when you go for 15 to 20 tests on alternate days, it is not this, on alternate days, because suppose if you write the test 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., 9 to 10 a.m. we can have a class, discussion class, and the next day, next entire day, up to 4:30 p.m. from 9 a.m. will be meant for the discussion of the previous day test. So that the third day, when one more test is conducted, the next day can be discussed. So alternate day when you go, 15 to 20 tests are definitely possible. And when 15 to 20 tests are, mock exams related questions are discussed, indirectly it is like covering entire syllabus. Is it correct? So in this way, now if you have been exposed for the next remaining days, I think that would be the best preparation. Now listen to me, what is happening is, you are all now sitting alone in your home and reading on your own. I think you have been exhausted already. And some of the things what you don't know will remain as it is. You will never know it. So that is why the remaining days, 100 marks I have seen in the previous test, I think 15 to 25 tests we have completed definitely. I have seen now students are 300 to 400 range. Some of the days I have seen you have crossed up to 450 also. And those tests whatever you have written are NTA mock tests or it is old paper tests. So another 100 mark can be definitely added by these type of works. But you have to continuously, you have to be exposed to the classes and you have to do all these works sincerely, and periodically remaining times other than the classes what you should do, you have to have a lesson wise or chapter wise studies in your home. So this type of work I think it is advisable for the next remaining days. And if we continue like this, if you add another 100 marks, if it adds to you, what will happen is definitely there is a chance for getting MBBS by at least some 5 to 6 students, at least 10 students. See, now those who are keeping the form, many students are exhausted, I know, but still there are many students who are in form. So for such students it is beneficial. Repeaters case, I will tell you what will happen to the repeaters. Repeaters, if the exam has been done in the month of May or June, it would be beneficial. Now once again, they are, since 3 months, they are in home only. From a coaching center, they are not directly going and writing the exams, remember. So their competition with you is a little lesser comparatively. So you can make use of the remaining 1 month, 20 days by this type of work, and don't underestimate yourself. Those who are having marks in 300, definitely you can go up to 450. So listen to my advice very, very sincerely and have the classes. Remember, what I have observed is, see, up to 400 mark you have got in the NTA paper, but when we do some of the previous question papers, for example, last 2 years exams have been conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. Before that CBSE was conducting. Those papers are not the model papers for you, remember. For example, 2018 paper, 2016 paper, 17 paper, they are all more tougher papers. When you write those papers as the exams, your mark will decrease. But you can definitely take as 2020 phase 1, phase 2, 2019 phase 1, phase 2 as the standard papers for you, remember. Or any other 75 mock tests are available in the NTA website, which are all online. But there are some private agencies where they have printed the NTA tests into offline. Understand? So such papers we have to select, and we have to write only those NTA tests which are purely based on NCERT syllabus. Correct? So that is why please be very, very clear. NCERT is the only thing you have to follow. For that you need to have first 2 books plus exemplar. In the books, whatever exercises are there, that also have to be covered. Is it correct? So all these things have been taken as questions in the NTA mock exams. And study materials are also not like that, not the big books and all. So at this stage, you can be made very, very clear by writing so many NTA mock exams. My advice is this: remember, you need not have to take 3 hours, even though it is prescribed for 3 hours. Try to reduce it to 2.5 hours. On the exam day, real exam day, you will make use of 3 hours. Now try to reduce the timing to 2.5 hours, so that planning will be possible. 1 hour you take for biology, remaining 1 hour 30 minutes you can use for physics and chemistry. There are many students I know who will attempt biology in just 45 minutes. 90 questions they attempt in 45 minutes. And physics requires more timings, chemistry proportionately lesser when compared to the physics. And this way, when you do so many exams, that day when you sit in the exam hall, you will feel like a similar exam, and that becomes useful. That is why the remaining, how many days I have counted? 1 month, 20 days, or you can say 52 days. So that will be very, very crucial period for you, and particularly I am concentrating on 25 students. JEE students, okay, you are going to write the JEE exam very soon, within a week. So you are not going to be considered now. You write on your own, write 1 or 2 mock exams and write. But need students, when these days, if your parents are with you, and if we are with you, and you are decided to do something, correct? Whatever you have done so far is not going to be counted. That knowledge you keep it with you, and you can improve your skill, and you can get more than 100 marks from today itself if you try by the only mock exams and solving those mock exams by your lecturers. Okay, students, so follow this. Thank you for listening to this.